Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Struggling with hair fall, thinning hair, or bald spots? There's a simple solution sitting right in your kitchen: onion juice. This age-old remedy has been used for generations to stop hair fall and boost new hair growth. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use it, how to supercharge it with rosemary oil, and how to make your own powerful hair growth treatment at home. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a natural beauty tip. Today's video is all about the powerful benefits of onion juice for hair growth and how to use it effectively for visible results in just a few weeks. Let's start with the big question: why onion juice? Onion is packed with benefits for hair care. Here's how it helps and how you can use it effectively. Benefits of onion for hair. Onions are rich in sulfur, which your body uses to produce keratin, the main protein in hair. They contain a powerful antioxidant called quercetin, which helps in reducing autoimmune hair loss, such as alopecia areata, stimulating growth hormones at the hair follicle level, fighting fungus, dandruff, and scalp infections thanks to its antimicrobial properties. Promotes hair growth. Onion contains sulfur, which helps improve blood circulation to the hair follicles, promoting hair growth. Strengthens hair. It strengthens hair strands and reduces breakage due to its sulfur content. Adds shine. Regular use can add a natural shine to your hair and improve its overall health. A study published in the Journal of Dermatology showed 86.9% of people using onion juice had significant hair regrowth in just 6 weeks, compared to only 13% in the control group using plain water. How to use onion for hair. Onion juice. Extract juice from fresh onions and apply it directly to your scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes to an hour, then rinse with a mild shampoo. Want faster results? Let's supercharge it. Add 5 drops of rosemary essential oil to your onion juice. Rosemary boosts blood circulation, reduces inflammation, and supports scalp health. Onion hair mask. Blend onion juice with other beneficial ingredients like honey, olive oil, or aloe vera gel. Apply this mask to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes, then wash off with a gentle shampoo. Onion oil. You can also use onion-infused oil. Make your own by soaking chopped onions in carrier oils like coconut or olive oil for a few days. You can gently cook chopped onions in coconut or mustard oil to infuse their benefits into the oil. Massage this oil into your scalp and leave it overnight, then wash it out the next morning. Rinse and shampoo twice to remove any lingering smell. Frequency. Use onion treatments 2 to 3 times a week for best results, adjusting based on your hair's response and sensitivity. Incorporating onion into your hair care routine can lead to stronger, healthier hair over time. You may start noticing baby hair growth around week 3 or 4. For some people, results are visible after 6 weeks of consistent use. If your hair loss is caused by nutritional deficiencies, stress, or inflammation, this natural remedy can be a game changer. Thanks for watching.